Hello and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. As always, we're going to be showing you around the exterior of the car. I'm also going to talk to you about the major talking points and features of this 420i M Sport Gran Coupe presented in black sapphire metallic. Alongside that very nice exterior colour, we've also added a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit to the car. Included in that is these 20-inch 666 competition style alloy wheels, which are presented in the satin grey. They are all brand new with brand new tyres. And at the front of the vehicle, you'll be able to see it's a 2019 plate, so it does also include the full facelift. Moving on down the side of the vehicle, you'll see there the BMW gloss black air breathers, satin side vinyls, matching sidebars, and of course the Mperformance decals. Moving on to the interior, where again we've got the very nice black Dakota leather foot inside the car, which comes with the electric lumbar options and heated seats. It has got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox within this vehicle, and we've also got the very nice aluminum hexagon with Estral blue accent trim. Moving to show you the rear seat configuration, which for this vehicle we've got the Isofix 3-seat rear bench with a central folding armrest, of course, and we've also got the darkened M Sport headline. As you can see there, everything is very nice and clean and tidy. Before heading towards the rear of the car, I'm going to again show you off these fantastic looking alloy wheels. At the rear of the car, BMW introduced these very nice sharpened facelift rear lights. We've also added a high gloss rear boot spoiler and a more OEM looking ferric grey diffuser. You also get an automatic opening and closing tailgate, as you can see there, which then reveals a very large boot space. You can also split fold the seats alongside taking out the parcel shelves to of course aid you in making more room. At the other side of the car, again, I can show you that the black sapphire metallic on this vehicle is in fantastic condition and of course works very nicely with all of the additions we've made here. And of course I'll give you one last look at the alloy wheels before I head on inside the car to of course give you a show around the interior details in a bit more depth. So now I'm sat very comfortably inside the car. First of all, I'll show you around the professional wide navigation and media screen and just run you through a couple of the functions of that. Currently on display there is the DAB list, however we've also got a wide array of multimedia inputs. We've also of course got satellite navigation, utilising real-time traffic updates on this car, keeping you on that fastest route possible. Bluetooth for both communications and of course media. And at the home screen there, you'll be able to see we've also got the Connected Drive Plus. Alongside that, being that it's a 2019 plate, we can also make the use of the Amazon Alexa function. I'm sure a lot of you out there will be familiar with what the Alexa functions can do, the Alexa devices, sorry. Not a lot of difference here. The only real difference is, of course, this is on the go Alexa. So all we have to do is, once a device is paired to it, click the speech button here on our multifunction M Sport steering wheel and enjoy all of the normal Alexa functions. Going back to the very main menu, again there you can see a nice little tweak for the facelift was that they separate things into nice little sub menus. Alongside that is the Professional Plus, so it is of course all touchscreen, as you can see there. However, as you will have noticed throughout this video, I've been using the iDrive scroll wheel that they still happily provide. The car itself's covered just over 21,000 miles and is in fantastic condition, as I've mentioned, and hopefully you've been able to see throughout this video. As I mentioned, it is the 8-speed, so we've got these lovely paddles along with cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, all on the multifunction M Sport steering wheel. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this walk around video, and hopefully you've enjoyed it and been able to find it useful. For further information, if you check out the link in the description, it will take you through to our website along with direct contact details for us here at Your Next Car. Thank you very much. Do of course take care, and we hopefully see yourselves very, very soon. Thank you and goodbye.